bebo.
I have a man.
That's a mommy.
I think most of the one.
Now, okay, take it to power now.
You but only know.
Okona, no, Okona, blood shed in my waka, but happy better to my brother, every sumo.
He said the bloodshed when he and this woman gotta do. He said na him the thing they affect. He said, may I beg, maybe come beg this woman. May I tell her, may forgive her. You do well. You on my donkey. Right from the day you send me photo where they get for naked, you can't tell me say na your woman. And from that day, now they fear you. You feel keep person. Or take Bomawa. But I was smarter than you. Let's go.
Yeah, I left with bloodshed here. What am I doing? Do I not am I left with bloodshed?
You see, he can't turn the thing, go give the girl. He said that the girl, now he tell him, make them do bloodshed. All the things you don't tell me are all lies. Now you, now you tell this girl and do bloodshed. Not be you, not be this girl. Tell you. You to the lie. You to
the bloodshed be well now.
Baby,
we hear why beg. Yeah, because you know that time, because the beat when they beat and go anywhere, that make
Stop now.
If you want to make her the listen to you, you can't apologize to her for live video. You beg your wife, me no vex. Before I had that. Why you live video?
Yeah, live video.
Yes, if you beg that for live video, then I'll come join you beg her for live video.
Okay, problem you know.
That get to 2 weeks. That get to 2 weeks set for me. You get that to tell her my man. Now you cut your head connect. Oh yeah, me move. When you said the go ready, we get in said the go ready. I know you any.
Okay.
Imagine. If not be say that girl can't swear that, and how many of you remember that day when they tell this girl say make it swear not be get that toto. He said may not use the children swear, may use the mama swear. How many of you remember that thing? Okay, now they shout Jesus. Okay, now they understand where my part that they go. Where this guy come on video camera, say, see him, may I check him. If not the same. This boy say make it, God forbid. God forbid. Thank God you know my brother. Thank God. I for watch.
But why your face one day? I manage your face one day. What's the face you now?
What's it? If it's in the festival, you know that this is not a near that. And then you click FSA show. Online, I made this thing because
he said when you go snap out for the website, now you face this show. My person, my people, person will snap blue film from website. I face go take show. I don't lie. You not do on video call, not be video call for snap them. So you mean say blue film people, that they follow they do live blue film. All those edited blue film whether they put for Google, you just know some of them are okay. They sleep. And that why you think they sleep with your girlfriend. We call they make her the dry. Okay.
Yeah, we're that. You got no need to be here, and I would have told my brother.
When you ever who on your any. When I tell you over to via your head, not to via your not the body on your any.
Look at the program with the black papa. He may give in an away that we not allow you for me up, and I lay when we allow.
Now lie. If they tell me now say make her beg me forgive her. Blah blah. You also know it. Yes. Bawari. Since as me and my wife don't call her, you never collect me and my wife children. I never betty my wife for nose, betty her for her, betty her for ear. You say you smart. You are a devilish liar. I promise you, a pa no go talk for this thing, bet. Because a pa too big now. For you to even call a pa pick safe. A pa not even know say that you know if I don't even pick on the norm. Even no why time, you not get that to call social media president. You don't have that right to call social media president. You want to keep person first. This will not be saying that the quarrel they settle. The toxic domestic violence is too much. Woman when they receive better money before, she can't receive 55 euro now. Now I see why Goya come they insult this girl the other day. If like I say Goya don't fair talk for this thing, they call it come back again before they come quarrel. So now I understand. She be like a person where they collect better money for Germany before last she can't go back to camp. Like say she knew come Germany, they call they pay her something like 40 euro, 35 euro. Lawyer no deal. Lawyer no deal. Check my people, all the place and platform where this boy don't carry this baby mama go. Now baby mama they win. He cannot go Yuri. They support the woman. He cannot go whether not tested and trusted that they call the woman. The girl sing with for them. He cannot go easy boy platform. The girl sing with for them. He cannot go another person platform before my own. You will never go back to her. It's a promise. This one has been wa. Go yeah, thank you. I will make sure that this girl does not go back to you. And if this girl go back to you, I'm not going to talk cool. But if he clear out again, because you never reach to become a man. You do not contribute. Nothing. Like, you are just there for the prick. You want to keep us picking, wow, way. The guy will soon climb up. Make her tell now. Oh, wow, way. If you not agree, go rape her. If you not agree, you go tear shit. You go say that one is sweet pass. If the girl they cry, say now this guy prick for the strong pass. You are sleeping with a woman that is depressed. For your mind, they enjoy her. You can never enjoy a woman that is depressed. Even if she cries when making love. You can never enjoy it. So bad. But because of your memory never strong, you just say, now you're pricky, they cry for. Don't worry. Me go good Telegram this night. Well, worry. Me how you do where you Telegram, me how now way. You, yeah, now way. With the whole world. Yeah, now with the whole world.
Now, when you last day, yeah.
La video de here, no problem. No. All right.
Why are you when my back here now?
Yes, yeah, when you come back here. You are there.
He could ask me another stupid question again by saying whether I go fit do a media to come me with the premium you go. When you leave this game, she for fit train picking. May she for not die before her time. Because they ask me whether me go agree, I will be the last person that will accept you to go back to her. Not because of say they jealous in a relationship, or no. But make this girl for their life. May God not come carry her children. I don't want to see you in my birthday. If people tell you that you know you get soft mind, I will use you as an example on my birthday. Try and come my birthday because I don't invite you. I dey talk this thing public. I don't just want to see you because you are so manipulative. Where I start to hate you now when you send me another woman say na your wife If you get your wife on that day, you go for send that for me. Without, you not go take her twice, say, now your woman to tell you one cent, give another man, so you are so evil. And for that simple reason, I go pay you back with that evil. You not get evil man for where me day. All the presenters where you go carry and go, I go to block all of them. A to Z. If not the ones will be there be my enemy for instance, so they saga them. No jokes. I dey tell you today, now because if you carry and go my pa, that's why I go call your partner and say, me pa no talk put. If you carry and go my enemy platform, I go saga anything I got lay. Not be even your matter, they go even they talk again. I'll face you bomber to bomber. Leave, go. Thank God that she did not die. My prayer be say, Major man, give her the remaining 2 children when they with her. You are a very big fool. Wow. Wazua. All the years you spent in the palace, you know you don't learn anything. Shame on you. So fire, come up. So fire, come up because of time. If you are watching me, please come up. So fire, if you are watching me, please come up. I do. Make her tell us the things finish. The things when it be say, you know what confess finish, make her tell us. Okay, happiness is free. Yeah. So far, I don't sleep. Please, guys, power tap for me. Be soft now. So fire now. Who are you? Maybe she got the sleep. Oh. Her name is not soft now. Her name is so fire. Well, I live streaming now. The request. He may learn the sing ya make body sing so we're watching me sing. Okay, Larry. This guys power tap guys and subscribe to my live goal. Let's go my people. Power tap. Social media precedent is too big to talk about this issue. What Zua? Wabola Egbe. You are tepa. The part of Guayo. Okay. You want to use a party, they do all those your nonsense. Wow. Ohoride, uefone. Go do what you want, go look for how you want to return your blood oath. Before they do blood oath with gay. How you go do blood oath with gay, you still go to cheat on her. You will just shop your blood oath, you don't know. See this momo. You don't shop your blood oath now, you don't know. Where your blood oath to wedding, woman. Because as you do that itself, you're not even supposed to cheat on her with another woman. Ojuwe, my dear. Yeah, I tell me DJ Cruz. DJ Cruz is not even in support of domestic violence. The DJ Cruz that I know is not in support of domestic violence. Yeah, DJ Cruz, you know where? Because that is one of the best DJ in Germany right now. That when he plays in your party, even if they seek you dance. Where? No sense. So that's why they go party where they for not invite you. May invite you where? Where you be they come my party? Because I say all my fans are welcome. So you that fans. May God don't let me ask you as fans. Baby mo, mommy mo, when you the kebab in way fans, God forbid. If you not baby mo, if you not my fans, you for not the see money till they donate. If they do donation, you will they use kebab to the play of what song. You guys say, well, this is the last bus stop. When you console. Last bus stop. Oh, so until this girl go get herself, she will get on that boyfriend. Don't be joke. I go make her get on that boyfriend. Before I go leave her. And go love the boy. That one, even if you say that they call, you know, you'll be like, you're not the bad person for face and eye. You're not the bad for nose. You don't even care. You're batty your body. You can't send me the one where she take enjoy you. You don't send me the one where you take enjoy her. This guy be manipulator. This guy don't even send me anything injury. And you first send me your own. If you dey talk it, ipalao, ipameno, ipa. This will serve as a lesson to you. That not be who fair bring case, they win case from my hand. When I see the way it take to torment this guy, I feel pain. I say, Jesus, me never see do this kind of one.
If they carry children, they go school, call the hands, they say, you speak English, or they go door to side. You understand? So the
Yeah.
thing come look some of embarrassing. So, which I tell us make he go start school. He say no one go school, no fit start, no fit they go school. Now me can go start. So if I dress, maybe I dey go school. If I come back, you go see my yash your press, and so my cloth your skilled. Oh, now so my who lick my maths. Maybe I 20 maths go school. Go so lick am. Now so I go to sleep with math for school. So he come they call me Ashawo every day. Go they call me Ashawo to the extent my children come begin they call me Ashawo. You know.
Jesus. I beg Mona de Wahada we all.
So if I come my children, I say maybe I come my senior daughter. I go say mama yes Ashawo. You know the thing come they yeah. So and if I come for school, e go dey follow me dey fight. They say I go sleep with man. I see my yansh your press. Who touch my yansh? My yansh your skills. My yansh your come strong. E no come soft as before. You know, because of the quarrel and the fight, I can't stop to dey go to school. I can't stop.
Gee.
So e get one day like that oh, me and him come dey. Somebody come call me my girlfriend. As she come call me, that one dey tally. Yeah, my girlfriend come dey talk. You wan hear come talk? You see na lesbian. Me dey show her kwekus for video call. Say na wetin my mother teach me, all this kind of stuff. And if my mother call her, I go dey call my mama Ashawo, epo emo eja Ashawo, you know. So if a lot of things dey.
Okay. I want to ask you one question.
Yes, pa.
After all this stress and all, would you like to go back to him if he has forgiveness? The
If I
truth
no,
of the matter is that I cannot
God,
tell you not to go back to him. That's the truth. I can't tell you not to go back to him. That's why they ask you now. After all this,
pa, that day when Gloria come dey talk, I no see too blame her sha because then when they advise me, I no even believe say the government go collect my children. You understand? So
you
it's something I put to person no go fit learn. You dey get. Although they try to settle us, we not bring. So let me try what Gloria call it. I don't see to blame her, sha. But for me, I don't go fit go back because as I collect my children, you be like see something come up in my body. No, even they come in and say, bless you, your mama don't cry. Oh." You know, to pay me like the way they take collect my children
yes.
because the pain was too much. You understand? If not be God, my enemy for don't run over for Jamie. So if I don't be like you, I not go fit go back to that man because it took do me things. No, what me even be nobody go fit take care. Nobody. So if I not fit go back, oh, I not feel like it. And if I go back, I want promise 3,500 people when they watch us. So more than they begin the standard movie. Talking about this like picture so they do like so they do screensaver. I know they talk am because say I want your stock am. I they talk am because of my children. Now I know the value of children. You understand? So now
Okay, now that you have said it, you not go back. You go promise me one thing for here tonight. Say, if this guy call you, you go the record on.
Epa, let me come. This one I be no one will record down. As he call me Epa, because me I not quit to the record down. You have to call me say hello. Me not even know say na because the private number. I call say hello they talk. He say hello. I go if I call you if I lie, me God will see me this night. He say, he didn't want me to collect the remaining children from my hand until the collect I not the rest. I come dey say, oh, they talk. You say, nah, him na papa destiny. I say, why you dey want me to collect my children? I not like I come begin the cost and say, you be devil. You see, if they call me, go they trigger my anger. Me go they shout. Then they come collect the two children from my hand. They'll say I demand. So now what you want do me? If you see my let me climb up. Now what you talk this morning? You say if you call me, go they trigger my anger. Then they'll come collect my children because where are this? They're not the shout. You want me the shout. Me if you come collect the children from my hand. And you know, say if you call me, I go must follow and call talk. I go must get argument. I don't even record that part. As you call the
You know
talk
what
to the more, I come begin the recorder.
You know what I want bring women up, may they advise you. Is there any women here that can advise him? Because me a man, I may not be like say they poison in mind. Make women come up.
So
Let me talk to her.
if I beg, I still come up. Oh, no say I tell your guy that day. They pay me €55. I really need it. If you see me, I be like bro.
I see
I
what
know
that
they,
video call.
I know they feed well. Even my children when they carry come, they be get body. If you say they can't live like broom because no good food. You understand? I know what call they share tears and they really they suffer. They get.
Yes.
Freedom. So I don't know if my PC supports me with anything, and I be still need lawyer because I'll go court next month. Person will stand by me because that day when they collect my children, they give us a donation. We be say they take deceive us. We not yet go. We not yet convince. We not the hear language. Before they come carry our that give person now we don't know. So they will tell me say make I take my own lawyer, and they know say I not get money just to frustrate me for journey. So Mona help me, I beg.
I bet Mona sort of the right image in her camera. She don't feel camera before. When they hear what the person they talk, black one some of them say for you not my fans. The thing on the right they fear me sometimes. Some of them when they comment for yes, say all camera. You know, for you to they look for solution to person.
Nah, I don't feel like I feel carry no, I don't feel like I feel we call a part tomorrow. I'll go to the office. I know that I will move to the part go the year. Like every month, now they pay me. They pay my last born, my son with the year 2 years. They pay at €80. Why they pay the other one? €12. They can't pay me 30 something euro. That is the almost €55 that they give us. But they eat to for year because it be like cardboard. You know, be like that one Nigeria food. Now also bread. And e get na just say pa na every month.
All right. So my people, Mona they talk, Mona bring suggestion.
Epa,
That is why we are
Epa, what I want talk, what's before your rig, your year say that the boy may just cutter and may not the so that the boy no they make her the shot, may your cutter block that number. If the boy doesn't say now, so they do and so they go rest now. If you hear the boy voice, oh yeah, your cutter. So now what I get to
to us
talk.
now before I go and call that us now. Now the wisdom I call me I not pick now he call me I not pick and listen to me the wisdom and now cut am. In case if you dey here they hear me I beg. The wisdom and me I don't know you before but I know I mean you dey beg me because of that guy I beg.
What again? Yeah. What did Jerusalem man?
And about 20 people they call me in a day. They
Then you
give
know what you
they send
do?
my number. They
You
send
know what
my
you do,
number they
huh?
go.
You know what you do? You'll change your number. Because the Jerusalem man never bet it well for neck once. The Jerusalem man, where better or whoever in ya. I mean, you don't see the picture. If this girl and your sister, you go tell her, man, go back to that kind of toxic relationship. Hey, my brother.
What the boy do?
As soon as your wife doesn't call it, you should not bet your wife for neck.
What the boy do?
No.
Mama. Come go tell am say this girl dey beg am say me come beg una. Come go tell that one say my woman say me I come beg them, no dey move come back, move come me I come beg them. Say cause ere girl na here. As you come dey play all those records now we nothing me but ere boy na here. You going na mo we girl na girl.
Waiting here, Yagboka, eh?
Why this girl dey do
all
like this?
presenter when they talk for this boy matter, I go spoil everything for their hand. Oh, we're here. Tell the Jerusalem man tell you about me. He go tell you. He go say everything we no get talk. So he mean now. Tell the Jerusalem man know me very well. He know me. Tell me. Where you go? Yeah, why I fuck you up? Yeah, why I fuck you up? That's the truth. Any place where you go, yeah, why I fuck. Now the truth I have to tell you so. I not a joke.
You get what do this I born my last born so I put am for bed make they sleep for parlour for share. I don't know if I let your drink that day. You carry the senior one. You carry a chocolate stone, give this one for bed. Now
No,
this
this man
became
dey say
it go.
carry.
This became
Now this man
it
dey
go. It's
say.
bed
Now this man dey talk say carry the other day.
because because they carry the children they go school.
Okay, now
So
maybe the parent pikin dey go school dey carry. Wow.
so that day now my pikin they do operation for that because he spent almost 6 months for coma. They take it use the senior one take
The pikin
stone.
spend 6 months
Give
for
am for
coma.
yeah, they do surgery for that. I get all the paper for
Nothing
him
dey tell me who tell me. Wetin happen wey make dem do surgery for am?
because he's not on the breathe well.
Oh, you need to do the surgery for him, for she or he to stay alive. This former mother, so where former mother. Oh, Boga is that my guy you say so you don't need to do am. That is a must. You might blame you, my sister, because if you not do am, you not going to lose your pikin. See what you don't get the pass through. How old are you? If I may ask.
27 years.
27 years. You don't see what
Yeah.
56 years old woman don't see for life. DJ Kebab.
I'm waiting. Yeah, DJ Kibabi.
Hey, DJ Kebab, you don't hear audio on it. May I play audio for you?
Give me a better DJ.
Make I play audio for you.
Kibabi.
When they tell the baby, say, mommy, mo. Yeah, the Kebab in way. You never hear the video. May I play? Go back, babe.
Better DJ, Kebab DJ, not for everywhere. I'm begging my mouth. We are mean, you take big girl, now wait the girl what's in here, where you no get platform, why you no get platform, you come back.
You see,
The person will now move with the girl, they get as well, they get that coin. I saw Bonado, you know, a boss in a big book on the story.
But to call him a brother for a gear, what do you mean a BLA? Who is the frustrating?
Pushing the message to
With a sinning. So the way I'm going to Jamie. I'm not in the way.
yes, everybody could tell you, man. Everybody could tell you now, sorry. Please don't give me wait. All those one where they talk for TikTok, not the mad there, not the models for TikTok as a son.
The way we never PR destiny. No, you told you know. No, that's not destiny. We know what color, we know what color.
Because I was no kind of woman, I don't know who going to for me. I don't know who going to step for me, say the body make it
for only more anyway.
Now you go to imagine that. It have me mama. We go to work when you have me mama. Everywhere taba. But everywhere taba. We call him a bar. What in a car? In a region of the destiny.
Don't back happy. I'm not talking. I thought when you called me.
Larry,
You touch me.
The destiny. We call him a bar. The destiny.
you don't want me to see that audio of Onimo. I go see how.
That's late. I said the down one. Sorry, nah. I beg.
Let's hear the listing.
I'm sorry. We are okay. Then we are banana. After we discriminate, we are sitting on the mama.
I told him morning. I am not even. They make you like they never sacrifice with my money. I'm going to man over the woman not be no. It doesn't mean family no. That's a come my way that is place. So now family no they do the case.
The listing.
And if you man go start that go do this thing, he cut my assignment. He don't cut her. He cut my assignment. The corona.
Oh, we are very destiny. When we're doing me, I'm women, I'm money carry. When I send them the monkey.
Sorry, nah.
Destiny.
Sorry, only more, baby. Only na me, you know say the buying to Bible, you know something the
Make what okay. I want to be like.
Larry, what the heck?
Larry! DJ Wisdom boy, you don't know my brother. Not just put body. Because you never bet your wife once. How many times you don't provoke your wife? You can't tell mama if you say you'll buy a kebab. Who does that? Huh? This is Mumu Mada. Yeah, he said, well, we are legal way. He make me see women.
That's a common way to that is place. So now family know they do the case. And the man go start that go to this thing, he cut my sign, he don't come far. He cut my sign on the corner.
When we ya munu when ya munu piave. When I send them the monkey.
Sorry. Sorry, only more. Baby. Only na me. You know say the try to kebab. You know say the try for this.
Allah the try kebab. Allah it
Kebabi.
it is kebab.
Where ya be love? Lare. Uwe.
Iye iku ne okpar ene bomb na kebab 26.
Nonsense, idiot boy. Your woman is not going to go back to you. See, so fire. You know what you do for me? They hear me. May all the women for you fair advise you first before I know what to do. But for me, you go change your WhatsApp number, your number. You need to go buy another new SIM card tomorrow. You know the dear 10 euro, 5 euro. You don't see new SIM card back. And they would give us for our area for year free. Kebab me, you know, anytime any day we offend you again. Now what they do? Oni mo, mommy mo, lao. You don't say go buy the kebab lao now. No sense.
Mais on a bon straight, oh. Mais on a bon straight. I don't
feel. You know we talk about bon straight. Imagine if my wife, I don't tell my wife this kind of thing, the quarter will all increase. But he make me put kebab, he go say make I can't tell her. That is an insult to the woman that gave you 3 kids.
I'm very cheap. You look at so cheap.
50 cents and then kebab in there with 1 coke.
Kebab in there before kebab la tire 50
cents. No, normally then and 1 euro. 50 cents for kebab. Then
bulk of kebab. Quand est tiré quand est 6 euros, nana 8 euros.
Nonsense. Oh, your TikTok lawyer was how that say. Change your SIM card.
Good evening.
Where's it?
So far, we hear everything where you talk and it's not easy. You understand? Nobody there here to actually blame you than to support you. Now you hear you, now you know what you don't fair go through for this boy hand. According to you, say he go trigger you till they collect those children for your hand. You know as you take push your children. My sister, not lose guard those children. Say because say you love man. That boy not send. Me, I feel like say they can't they beg based on say for that voice note, he say they collect your advice. Maybe they find way to come back to Germany for a leg to come stand. They can't they beg you because he know say na you go sit a stand again. I beg for the sake of those children, and you need to do okay first. Just fair leave this boy wahala first. If not to change your SIM card, change them, fight for the remaining of your children, collect them first. Now they important. Now if you go forgive this boy as they call you on Nemo, if you they cry seven, we don't go there. Oh, I beg. Forget every other thing. We be say if they go on now. Just fight how you want to take your children back. That one day important. You know, say for this Germany, once they don't pour for your body, any slight mistake, you will try say they quick give you 2 inside. As they don't give you 2 now, yes, progress don't day. Just use this opportunity, leave man matter first, collect the remaining 2, make you not make that mistake. You see that foul house so you did so. You know as it be there, you know easy. I beg. It better they laugh you as a single mother than you go die inside marriage. Make them laugh. Nobody start them. Not be you start them. Not be you go end up. I beg. Now wait till I get to talk with that paper. When I do it.
God bless you. When I use a open account, DJ Kebab. When I put a picture.
Kebab.
Yes,
you know they buy coke join the kebab.
When I want picture get yo. Let's go. Hey, Stella.
Good evening, sir. What talk by?
Thank you, Jare.
Yeah, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
So fire. I know we not blame you. You don't try as a mother, as a wife. First, one thing when I first talk, that your husband, not your fault put at all. My day at all. Not be number 1. Number 2. As you just use your family to rub ground for that man, no. Not try next time.
e no good, you hear? In case of next time, they tell you. When you even that day say when I no give you top put, you could even use your mama they swear or your children. E no good. Not true again, yeah. Your children will deal with you. Take care of them. Take care of yourself. That boy, your liver, that boy not your fault. Put it not normal. Not normal at all. Now normal you might be, now that boy be. If you look out for face, that thing when I see him. You hear what I talk? Okay, now you take care. I no get thank you so much. Thank you everyone.
Wow, ma. Let's see.
Yeah.
Miss Sophia.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Thank you very much. God go bless you.
Amen.
All the things what you dey do for if na even though na Benin o na Isha o, na God then go reward you.
Amen.
I beg. One thing when I go beg you, I should just take this girl like your sister. Maybe they advise her because you know her age. To start with that age, you never even reach to get boyfriend. That much more to come get for children.
Yeah, it's
So
true.
she never the reason well. She never the feel they think well. Because I would say that person where they like 30 something. She know make
But
make
not,
all this
my sister,
mistake.
but not be by age or sometimes so.
Age. See, age they fine. Sense still dey. But the one with me they try talk we say for this her age, you never lead to marriage since.
Day 19 when
You
you born.
understand?
Sense
Yes.
no day now.
I beg. May you help her. And one thing what she go do, make her avoid the man. Make he be say, make you just do anything concern that SIM card, make you just break her. Make you get new number.
Yes.
New number so that you don't feel the rich and nothing because that boy that boy never ever used to be father. How much more husband? So make two of them learn. Make them go learn for different side, not be together. Thank you very much. God will
Thank you.
bless you.
I don't open WhatsApp channel. My people, I have opened a WhatsApp channel. This is not like the one I opened before. This is a WhatsApp channel that everybody can join on WhatsApp. So if you have my number, just write me. I can share the link to you. You can join on WhatsApp. If you get my WhatsApp channel, you can join. My WhatsApp channel is there already. Enogie Advanced Solution Center is my WhatsApp channel. So if you write me, I can send it to you. That is if you want to join my WhatsApp channel. WhatsApp channel is different from every other one. Okay, may I send them? Share the link. Or the people they write me, may the write and they give me. Oh yeah, continue in my own opinion.
In my own words, sir. Good evening, sir. Pardon me. Sophia, I know what I tell you. I know people like that, your baby father. They're not going to ever change. They can never change. You see the way they be, so that guy will lure you come back. What he go do you next time? If he ever hear herself, Matt no go fit talk am. People like that. They go lure you come back, do you better till we be say, my sister, you go wish never to even know somebody like that. You understand? Which I just get to tell you be say, take care of your children. No matter anything, no get that person want to beg you. Even if now your papa, your mama tell you something, you go back to that man. My sister, put your shoe for your head. Run. Put shoe for head, run, may you not even look back at all. Because people like that, and because say you escape now, and because of say, he see and say the plan when he plan against you, God constantly stand by you.
I swear.
Now why they do all those things? And you not expect say as you carry the matter come here, so say the matter go be like this. You know say this place for years, so no be who bring case, they win case.
No. Amen.
You understand? We dey follow the matter since the way Fete talk that day. If we say more, we follow the way they talk for that voice record, we go even dey beat you before you go join the live stream.
Of course.
But if let us know one thing, say no be about the way Fete talk. Oh. You see that man, na evil man where we are like sheep. I better na wolf in sheep clothing. Now you're put on like that.
I swear.
You understand? My sister, I beg, face your children. Oh, very important. Take care of them. if it look difficult for now, but if you give yourself 2 to 3 years time, you go happy say you leave that marriage. I'm telling you the truth. You understand? Not listen to anybody. Even if anybody they call you, say husband and wife they fight. If you reach their turn, may they go back.
Good.
This your own soul, not be marriage where they settle. Yeah, my sister, I beg. I wait till I get to talk with that too. I don't know.
Thank you. Do well. I don't get 12 followers for my WhatsApp channel. 12 followers.
All Pinocchio fans.
Wow, man.
All Pinocchio fans.
You are priceless.
Pinocchio, I appreciate you.
Thank
I
you so
appreciate
much.
for things when they do for you. God will bless you.
Thank you.
My sister, you see that money, carry your shoe put for leg run. Without them not tell you, you're supposed to see the handwriting for war now.
Of course.
That guy, they're supposed to you put down for psychiatric. Now man, I be that. You're not even supposed to they live with normal human being. Eh? My sister, take care of your children. Your life, they're very, very important. Your children need you. Your family need you. If you see, say, Spain, if you see, say, Germany, they don't give you document, they distress you. My dear, pack your bag, go Spain. Go north of Spain. They go help you, help your children. You don't need to come they think of any that useless guy. That will not be human being. Don't let that guy deceive you again and manipulator.
May you change the number first. That's the first truth.
Yes, change your number. And if he call you, they pick he call. If your family still they call you, they want settle. My dear, fair run for your life first. Later, you with your family on a fee can settle, but just beware of that guy. That guy an evil person. You don't need that for your life right now. Your life, they're very, very important. Okay? Thank you. And no give fans. I greet everybody.
Yes, thank you so much. Please get part up and share. I don't want to part up, I'm on the part up.
Good evening. How far? Koyo. These people matter don't really stress you.
No be smarting now.
It's when I did social media and this matter come long pass for grand or more. They don't carry this matter pass everywhere. But they say if matter don't reach Oba Palace, now they stop. So yeah, now Oba Palace.
No, yeah, now our own domain. Yeah, not
our own domain where we the judge. So so fire. I hear you. The kind of strength when I get, I don't understand. The kind of strength where you get. But my own advice to you, I think you should focus on yourself to build your self-esteem. You know when women get low self-esteem, they continue to go back to S-way, not day normal. As me they see that guy not day normal. Person way don't threaten you, say, you go buy your enemy. Babe, you need to run. Carry your shoe, put down for your head where you run. Because any small thing now will happen, will trigger your anger. If it buy you go prison. Pata 10 years, it go come out. You
10 years.
You understand? Because it goes say na self-defense because they've definitely known as soon as they fight before.
Exactly.
So I beg, no even let that guy ever come close to you, not to talk of saying why even know where you they stay at all. For now, just focus on yourself. They say not pick a number again, not pick a call again. You not fit change number. All the people who know the guy, not give them your contact again.
Just tell you, change number.
See, sometimes we women they do some kind of things where say people come they ask us say why would they treat man who born for like this and all that. Now because of their behavior, that girl where you both carry no gay platform, learn from that girl. Or as we drag that girl, Richard Mary, release the number for that Oyibo. If you use that girl matate get sense. You get use that girl matate wise. Go change your number tomorrow. Change your number. If you don't see any, in fact, all your social media, remove your picture from your social media for the meantime.
For those of you now who don't join my WhatsApp channel, you gonna see the way that boy beat this girl, Betty and for neck. If you never join my WhatsApp, please, if you get the link of my WhatsApp channel, you can also share to your friends. Please, Celine, do you have it? Mention the way.
Abroad, man go beat you like they go bite you. He go bite you. A vampire guy, anything. If you see the way the guy who they talk, you will know say that guy no normal. It be like say get what he do before he come off for Benin, where they worry the guy. no be only blood o dey worry the guy, and the guy never still strong for brain, na still small pikin. Both of una still be children, but I think say the girl, woman supposed to see mature for brain pass man. Even the voice note you send give Enoge this evening, they listen to it. You be like say you still they give the guy a chance to they talk. If they call you, if they tell you, see they use RRS, they tell us say no be you go carry my matter, give it. Person where you go call so gun for. Oh, you tell us so gun we go kill and na go kill am.
When I enter my WhatsApp channel, when I go
see. I don't understand. See the way you were talking to the guy, see maybe you were still interested. You understand? After all, your pikin dey coma. Na you have when for phone. Your pikin dey coma for 6 months. Person will put your pikin for coma. See they call you, come they talk to you for phone. They call you on Nimo. On Nimo ni mana gbe family organize mama. Me ma understand why.
Onimo, baby mo.
I beg, I think ladies, we need to work on our self-esteem. Even if say maybe woman born for 3, 4, 5 men, our self-esteem, it should be top notch. I beg. Well, say, bros, thank you very much. And they follow up this girl. When Mama Nora follow up this girl, because as she did now, her enemy they depressed. And I just pray make social service where they give her those children back. But if they won't give her those children, but they need to know how she they look after these 2 way day with her, and how she take care of herself. Now all those things they go look, they return her children back. You get. But if Narcisse so say they not return those children back because they say they get special need, I think you should just, if she not fit collect her, make she leave them for government, then she go they see the children for there, because it's not easy to take care of special needs children and normal pikin.
But the day when I go see my children, they come there like if you see there, they your bush, they your open bush.
Please help me to share my WhatsApp.
If I buy things, go give them. Like I buy bread, they go to the shop like people who never show this 1 year.
Yeah, because of again, like the kind of heart that we have as a mother, that's the reason you need to fight to take your child back. You understand? But I don't know. I understand that you need financial support, and if there's also charity organization in your place, I think you should also reach out to them. You understand? So that they will help you take those children, because there's nothing like say your children they where you feel they look after them, especially children who never reach 12 years. I wish you all the best, and I feel your pain.
When I see what woman they pass through, because I know people stand for this thing. When I see what women they pass through. So far you say you don't get money, Abi. We'll work towards that. We'll see how we'll fit to help you. We'll work towards that. Yeah? But you go do me one favor. So fire. Tomorrow you are going to change your SIM card, eh? They listen to me. And you use that SIM card to write me. I am doing this because of you and your children. Maybe for last. This boy go finish you. That's why I tell the Jerusalem may remove himself from this thing.
Hey, pa, because if he call me, so they go to chatting me.
Who chatting you?
If they come with different number, they go to chatting me, say if you see me anywhere, you see me go cry me, go prison.
In the grace, Oswald. Now you jam problem. You know what they call Aswa? Because he go they regret now, say, I wish you know if I not even bring the matter to me.
Yeah, him being threatening you, you don't go police, go report. You should put all those things in writing.
Yes, these people were there. Yeah, these people were there for years. They don't go report to police.
Also be recording him, even if he calls you, anytime he calls you. But
anytime, any day.
If I don't change your contact,
get the chance again to record down. May you go check SIM card tomorrow.
Exactly.
Don't fire.
If I don't know,
check SIM card.
Just hide yourself for now. Just hide yourself for now.
If you check SIM card tomorrow, and they tell you now, use until at me. Guys, we have 52 followers on WhatsApp on my channel now on TikTok. More than help me, they share, they give people too. Hello.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Can you please add me to your WhatsApp channel?
Okay. Let me add you to my WhatsApp channel.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Hey, Panaso, my woman see they beat me. Oh, hey, woman they beat you. Hey, see. So they call me at two calls at the same time. So it's the experience. 2 calls at the same time.
Pardon.
Gangi o.
E pa ikata ma wewe no emplo veni do agu e mu one call.
Ike wa wo. Ina ni o video.
Oni mo. Kebab mo.
Ya de kebab no e. Oni
Ya de
oni.
e pa ni menyu do kun ba we ni do ta ma we code number on their code case. I don't write am down. It's 00123 kebab oni mo.
Okay. Bagun agba case na you to ma la.
If I tell her now, she need to write that code down. If you come here, they ask her the code number. You don't fit talk and we'll drop her. No quiz.
I believe say some of you don't get the link to my WhatsApp. Wanna help me to the share too. Wanna help me to the share. All right, Sophia. Now Ebony do your matter now. Ebony the lioness, right?
I can hear you.
Now Ebony the lioness do your matter now. Now she dey confiding. Ibla say she did kneel now for that side. Abi?
No, she far well.
Okay. If we must do any donation, now wetin we go sleep on, and then probably maybe we can bring you here some other time for donations. But for now, the first thing you will do now to go change your WhatsApp number tomorrow. Before you change it, you give me the new one. You break that SIM card. The new one, the user they call your family for us. Please, I beg. Mona consider you guys are where it destiny. We are telling you guys are where. Where that woman will tell you.
If I should be, say because of these people now, this onimo when you dey cap a kebab, kebab will come the dear now.
I swear.
If I will come, they buy one kebab for 15 euro.
And I go make an dear, macan. Make una help me share them.
Kebab in the fucking chat. Onimo in the fucking chat.
And bro, so also advise this girl, this matter what she bring come here or the guy bring come here. If the guy carry this matter go another place again, make the girl not climb up or call anybody.
No. Now the only person when I go even call after the last stream, which is my social media president. Now later one I go call.
A part not go bring and come platform.
A part don't know what they happen since now. That's why why I hate pa.
So fire, please do not answer. No judge your matter, give anybody again. Everybody have heard it from here. So make the take and lie. Even if say the guy lie for your head, let it be so, please.
No, platform
because you need strength to take care of those children.
Make una help me, walao. Wanna see now where my brother. Wanna see waiting this girl pass through. It a better for neck and another post to finish. So fire, send me all of them. Not be only this one. Send me all. Make people come see the care evil. Where this guy be? They beg.
Share me the link. A lot of people they ask of the link.
My sister, my hand they pay me to the share. May una help me see the share now.
If I share for me, so I go share for people.
Fresh Lambo. Okay. Oh, may I share the link to my Telegram?
They come from there.
That is very true. If I don't come out for here now, I'll put on for my Telegram. Yes. My WhatsApp channel now is at 67 followers. So my people, so fire, we're going to help you. Don't worry, okay?
Okay,
first and foremost,
thank you.
We're going to help you with how much do they pay for your lawyer?
So I never pay carry lawyer.
But why this because the last say you don't carry lawyer? Meaning, you never even carry no a lawyer for now the remaining children with with government.
For where now God say they won't give me this too. I never carry lawyer. They don't tell me I never carry. I don't get money.
If I know say if she want carry lawyer now, they see different lawyer, asilo lawyer day, family lawyer day, criminal lawyer day. So you go need to know the one which she want carry.
That's why I'm going to call Ebony the lioness. If I don't call Ebony the lioness, then I know.
Wait, you go never carry lawyer. Me, I don't carry lawyer. Now that I want to tell you. Yeah.
Who brings the guy for you? Who do you carry lawyer? Who do I carry? Hey God.
Moderator.
put
Una carry
what?
that boy come here. Whoa. Una
The
carry liar
moderator
come
now I
here.
like a saga. My saga we moderator worry.
Moderator. Una carry liar come my platform. DJ Kebab.
If I'm checking, food stuff, don't send me the link. Thank you, Epa. Good night.
Let me spread that. Don't tire to share. We warn.
You go to share, Epa.
7 people. They want to share that to another 67 people. The 67 people want to share that. We warn. So far, yeah, we're going to help you first with lawyer. I'm going to contact Ebony the Lioness tomorrow. Then we'll know how much will help you here. African person near that. African person near that your camp. Where city you dey safe?
The panel verse. I don't feel mention that because of my baby papa.
Oh, no be lie. Oh, Wabuere.
Yeah.
Wabuere. Mention another city for now. Make go Zozo. Tell her another city. Mention another city
Bro,
for
I
now.
was gonna suggest something.
Suggest it now.
Okay, so she said
we're almost rounding up for the day.
okay. She said she did struggle to eat and all that and to look after children. I think I don't know if it's a good idea to put something together to buy her food stuff for the children and for herself. What do you think?
How many of you people are in support of this tonight? Because I never wanted to bring this, but how many of you are in support of this, please?
Just food stuff, not like finance or something, just food stuff.
How many of you are in support of our food stuff tonight? Okay. Which account now will fit put the money? May I see if I fit do 50 euro for you? So far, yeah. Again, every go.
So far, yeah, you need to be smart.
No verse, I dare you.
Not sleep, oh.
No, Epa.
You want sleep, leave me. Me have you. All right. You get account.
That's my Jamie account. Yeah, I got Jamie account. I never close down.
Account. If you say more don't to Germany, Anita, she may not bring the suggestion.
No, I did.
Okay. She go bring Nigeria account, we go transfer the money, go a Nigeria account. She can't change that to euro for a year. Now people go take her power. If not, no level. Some people know they do the euro to euro. Abi, I wanna see the matter. I'm gonna fast to.
So far,
where are they for year? Now once in the 2 weeks that they bring me they cook African food.
If you cook, I know if you put them for fridge.
I not get freezer for year.
But if you buy all this normal what do they call Sterilic and the rest, golden mold and the rest for the children.
Yes, I'll fix.
Milo, all those things will still make their body come out.
Yeah, but that Nigeria account, I not have do that one.
Yeah, but just have the naira first. You'll get somebody definitely will go say he go give you euro, you go give an naira, you get. No need to transfer and come. It go be exchange.
Okay.
So you're gonna do that with a nogi. You don't need to do exchange.
Okay, go make you add me now.
Somebody for Germany go give you a euro, then you go give the person naira, depending on the rate you get.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
So you should get your account number ready and your name. I think some people is asking, but let him finish so that I can give the go ahead.
No, for me, I don't have Nigeria account too.
Okay, maybe you can.
Okay, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I don't, sir.
Yes.
Have you talk?
Why not?
Okay, thank you, sir. For this one, my sister Sophia, good evening. How are you doing, first of all?
Fine, good evening.
Okay. For this donation now, sir. Now they want to donate this one, so.
No, we never do donation. We never, because the thing is not ready. It's not really clear because you know hello, when I'm saying.
Okay.
When we are doing a good marima.
I'll go.
As okay. Yahweh will admin. Yeah, WhatsApp channel in case now. When I'll tell you, man is soon you're wait.
You lift the table. Okay, let me remove it. First of all, the reason why I climb up now for this baby papa DJ Kebab, so he don't there for this comment section. They drop laugh emoji since just they laugh up and down. Like this laugh, now it can't be like say it gets meaning. Like make una they talk with una they talk. Last, I know the kind of woman we bought for me. She go come back to me. Like you reason people we there say they be mumu, they not get what they do. I've been waiting. You just the comment section, they drop laughing emoji.
Divan.
Make her make sense.
I go meet her. Divan say I they think that joke with day.
See, my darling Sophia, according to you, you said you are 27 years old. Okay. Not be you start and say, I thought they follow up with this thing since you take come here, since not take come here. Not be you start and say you born for two different places. And not be you go still end down. I go use myself because me, they always like to use myself as an example. Not let anybody talk down on you. If not because of some certain people we not get with the online video, they tarnish single mothers. They always they talk down on single mothers. My love, wipe your ear like this. Not look am. You understand? You they get me. No reason all those ones. Be you. Know yourself. You they get me. You see this kind of baby boy? He not deserve you at all. He not even deserve those children when be say you born for him. Leave and make it a mumu. You must start from somewhere and you go start from somewhere. That one now I encourage myself when my own happen. You understand?
You must pass through this one before.
I get my first son will be 12 years old by March.
Wow.
I get one daughter here. She will be 6 years by April.
Wow.
Before I come see my now husband, my little baby now day 1 year plus. You they get me. Not let anybody, any fucking but you try because I don't listen to your story since all the things where you don't take. I was like, how some women say they get this patient because me I not get that kind of patient. I not get them. Because if a person like me, they with this baby boy, we use the comment section like this, they drop laugh emoji if for collect where. If for collect. Take care of yourself. No go back there because the way they laugh, now it could be like say, he gets on for me and say, you will come back to her after we don't talk finish or after we don't do everything finish. You be like say, you get on for me and say, you go come back to her. If you go back and, sorry to say, you go guy, go be, it not go make sense.
I swear. I go meet her.
So, now just that one. You see this baby boy, if you go back, my dear, sorry. And to you, baby boy, you go continue to the drop comment. When you are tired, you enter house.
Now pay need to write all those things so.
Wait, just they drop on. They drop on. If you don't tire, you go enter house. Because by now a responsible person is supposed to they sleep. Because tomorrow you go work.
Okay, all of the way they WhatsApp. When I go on WhatsApp now, when they look for the link since, when I just search for a no-gay app, no need for link.
So now that one say I can't tell you my love so far, yeah.
A no-gay solution.
No reason anything. Okay? Now the platform will be say you feel get help. Now you day so. Don't be today, no get don't start. I don't say when you day here.
Go to your WhatsApp and search for a no-gay and fan solution center. It just be like where you for the post your story. Just go there now you can see it there. Inoge and Fan Solution Center. I do this thing for my fans. So I go there easier for me to dey communicate with you now. And you people can also comment.